I've spent most of my life around this place right here. So. Show you the dining halls. My mother worked in this building, and I can recall going up those steps when I was about 2 or 3 years old. My mom retired for mental health also.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
It was constructed in the 1850s and finished in the 1870s. It was built in 3 sections. The south wing was first, the north wing was second, the center section was added last. It was occupied with patients up until about 1989. We continued to use it for administrative services until 1996. It's been sitting empty since then. It's getting in bad shape. Needs some attention. I've seen it from both ends. I came to work out here in '77 and we had like 1,400 patients on this campus. And I've seen it over the years just downsize. We moved most of our operation off this campus in 2005 out to Crest-Ferrum State Hospital. So I'm excited about seeing it come back.